So once you have this one, you need to establish the work environment or establish the build environment. So we need some specific software, specific tools to start the building, like GitHub and some text editors, and those are earlier. We need to like go to establish build environment site, and we need to run this entire script, copy and start doing. But Akil Narang, the great guy, made the script to create this environment in single stretch. So big thanks to him. I would say Akil Narang. Akil Narang GitHub. Just type Akil Narang GitHub and go to his scripts. We are having his script here. Okay. So before this, you should be having the Git software or tool installed in your machine. So first he is telling to do this one, git clone and this URL. This URL will clone the files which are here. Hope it is clear. Git clone and this URL. We are just copying it, and when we need to type, well, it should be in the terminal. So we have the terminal. I'm just adding it in the favorites. So it will be in here. We already have it, so I'm just moving on. So I'm just opening the terminal. So the terminal is right now in TechFanciers1 at TechFanciers1. So this is the user which we have created, and this is the machine name which we have shown. So here you can't just control V these commands. What you need to do, you need to click the middle button of your mouse or right click and paste. Okay, as the form factor it is in the cloud, sometimes when you copy the content it won't work. So whichever content you are seeing in your base machine, this is base machine, okay, it is in my Windows, whichever you are copying in the base machine, it won't work inside your VDA. So the best part from hereafter is whatever you search the things, just search from inside the machine, inside your Linux machine, inside the cloud, inside a virtual machine. That will be the great start which you can do. I know it will be little bit confusing, at least for me when I started this thing. So this is different machine, and whichever you are seeing here, this is my base machine, this is my Windows machine, and this is my virtual machine from the Google Drive. For example, speed test, if I have it here, if I run, you will be seeing like some external, this one, this is the speed which we are getting from the server. Okay, so Akil Narang scripts. Okay. Now we are going to Akil Narang scripts, and we are just copying the comment. You need to copy after the dollar symbol and copy and go to here and right click, paste, enter. Okay, now we have cloned the scripts. Where it is cloned? Well, if you press ls, it is cloned here. So to go that, here we have files. If you click here, if we go to home, you have this one, scripts. So this is the file which we have copied now. So now we need to run this one. For this one we need to go inside that folder. For that we need to change the directory. The command is cd change directory and the folder name is scripts. So if I click SE and tab, it will automatically fills it the rest of the part. So cd space SE tab, so it will automatically open the scripts. Or else if you want to come back, you can click cd space double dot, okay, which will double dots and enter means it will go back to the our upper directory. So if I don't want to click tab, you can press SC and asterisk star, okay, it will open the script. So in SC, this is the only file which starts from SC, so you can do like that also. There are multiple ways you have to do these things. That's your opinion. And if you want to open inside this one, if you are here, you can go inside and you can right click. You will be having the open in terminal. It will open from here. So there are multiple ways. You will get used to it once you come inside the Linux. So once you have it, just copy the third command. We are using the bash script and setup. Okay, bash. I would say we need to go here, dash setup and the setup file. So this is a folder inside this one. So if I click tab and tab, it will print all the files inside this folder. Okay, tab, if you click the tab, it will print all this one. So now we need to build the environment. We have the script here, android underscore build underscore env.sh. So for example, if we physically go here in setup, we have the script here. Okay, so we are going to run the script. Here it is just having some variables and running all the commands which we need to provide. Okay, so to run this one, I am just typing android hyphen SDK. There is no file after that called SDK. So if I press tab, it will automatically fills. Sorry, not this file. Okay, android underscore BULD. Okay, and this one. Okay, android build environment sh and enter. It will ask for the password which we have set for this user. I'm just typing it. Don't forget this password. So it will automatically run all the scripts and it will do the installation part. Whichever tool we require to build the custom ROM, it will automatically downloads and configure it for us. Thanks to Akil again for making this wonderful script. In earlier days, it is some of the headache to copy the one by one command, and we need to install the softwares and tools for the building. Now it just made with a single command. Just you can clone his script and you can start doing it. Also in between this, it also configure the GitHub account. It's not GitHub account. It will also configure the GitHub username and password. So we'll wait for it. Okay, so now this script has run. So it didn't ask for any GitHub GitHub configuration and all. I guess we need to do it in next part of this series. So that's pretty much it. We now have the we have now have established our environment to start building the custom room. So yeah, bye.